Goldilocks Marlboro! Yay! To Mama Kwatang and family. Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Kwatang's channel. For today's video is a very unique and special one. Why? Because for the first time ever, we will be unboxing my first gift from a very supportive, thoughtful, and very generous subscriber. Guess who? No other than Alvin Monteza! Thank you so much, Alvin. From the bottom of my heart, me and my family very thankful for your generosity and thoughtfulness to me. Thank you so much. Okay, so do you have any idea, guys? What's inside? Ako, medyo mabigat. Mabigat. So, hulaan nyo. Kung wala, pass na. Let's open the box without much ado. I'm so excited. Excited na ba kayo dyan? Okay. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, oh my God. Alam ko si Alvin. Thank you so much, Alvin. Oh my God! My favorite! Guess what? Ta-da! Obi Crinkles from Goldilocks! Oh my God. Hindi ito sponsor ng Goldilocks, ha? Pero, bigay ni Alvin Monteza. And next is, oh my favorite! Oh my God! Alvin Monteza, you know, well, my weakness. Goldilocks Marlboro! Yay! Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, but hindi ito sponsored ng Goldilocks, ha? Bigay ito ni Alvin Monteza. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. This is my favorite. One of my favorite. Oh, wait. May ano pa, oh. There's a card. To Mama Kwatang and family. Wow. Talagang napaka ano to. Oh my goodness. Look at. The card, it says thank you. Mas thank you ka, Alvin, okay? Oh no. Okay, let me read the letter. Okay, Mama Kwatang. Thank you for publishing videos that personifies Filipino characteristics like industry, perseverance, and patriotism. Cheers to good health and relevance. Alvin. Regards, P.S. Regard to your family. Alvin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alvin, from the bottom of my heart. Ayan. So, my thank you card. And, tananan! The last but the... Guess what? Ta-da-da-da-dang! Oh, this is the dried squid pusit. Okay, this is the dried squid or the pusit, or tawag sa amin sa mga Bisaya, we call it na nukos. Dried nukos. Oh my God. Alam nyo guys, treasure talaga ito sa amin dito sa Canada. Okay, ayan, ang dami. And then, yeah, dried pusit, nukos pa rin. Ito, pusit, dried squid. And then, oh no! What's this? Okay. Danggit! Yay! May danggit na kami! Thank you so much, Alvin! Talagang very thoughtful. Siguro in one of our mukbang, talagang we ran out of danggit already. We called it a dried rabbit fish, butterfly cut. So we call it danggit in our dialect. Danggit.
Tawa daw sa meeting.
So, this is from product of the Philippines. Okay, guys. We have 3 packs of dried squid or the pusit, the nukos, all the way from very generous subscriber Alvin Montesa. So, tatlo yan ha. Okay. And then, for our dried rabbit fish or the danggit. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3. What? 6 packs? Oh my goodness! Alvin, galit ka ba? Galit ka ba? Kasi ang dami mong pinapadala eh. Tingnan mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of danggit. Oh my goodness! I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven with danggit. Okay. Assorted, my favorite. Okay. So this is the classic polvoron, which is the best of all. After how many years, how many centuries, at last nakakain ng polvoron from Alvin Montesa. You know what, guys? This polvoron bringing back lots of memories, especially in the Philippines. Bringing back lots of good memories from the Philippines. Okay. And the ube crinkle. This is my first time to taste this ube crinkle. Oh wow. Joe, you wanna try? This is my first time ever. Okay. Tastes good. So, thank you so much, Alvin Montesa. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Me and my family, very thankful for your generosity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No words are not enough to say thank you for your thoughtfulness for me and my family. Okay, guys, that's all for this video, guys. So exciting for my danggit and for my breakfast tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quata's